with me, Ananda Zara, as host this time. This time we have two special guests who are my friends. We welcome today two special guests, Nur Aulia and Intan Aulia.
Hi everybody, thank you for the warm welcome and thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome. We would also like to thank you for being willing to attend this opportunity. Oh yes, before we enter today's topic, maybe you can introduce yourself to the audience who are watching broadcast today.
Hi all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nuralia Rashma, usually people call me Awang.
Hello all, welcome to my podcast. And now it's our second guest turn to introduce herself.
Hello, I'll introduce myself. My name is Intan Ola Savitri. Usually people call me Intan.
Hello Intan, welcome and thank you for taking the time to attend today. Let's go straight to the main topic, shall we? What legend or folk tales are famous in East Kalimantan?
In East Kalimantan, we have a legend or folklore, instantly Pesut Mahakam.
Interesting. What do you think the Mahakam Pesut has become a legend or folklore in East Kalimantan?
Because the Mahakam Pesut is a legend or folklore taken directly from a true story from the past. Apart from that, the Mahakam Pesut contains several messages in it.
Oh, is that true? Is that real story? I thought it was just legend. Honestly, it was very surprising fact for me.
Well, Mahakam prophets have another name as Peswata Dolphin.
Well, that means the shape of the Mahakam purpose is the same as dolphin, right?
Yes, that's right. It looks like dolphin. However, the dolphin fish is slightly dark gray.
Is that true? Just relate that the color of the Mahakam purpose or freshwater dolphin is dark gray. I want to ask, where is the Mahakam purpose legend created from? We already know that it come from East Kalimantan, but we don't know where the legends come from.
The Pesut Mahakam is a legend originated from a village called Moramuntai in East Kalimantan, specifically the Mahakam River.
So what is the shape of the Mahakam Pesut? Can you explain in detail what the Mahakam Pesut looks like?
Here comes the interesting question you've been waiting for. So, being shaped like a dolphin, this Pesut Mahakam has a dark gray, slightly blackish color. Then the shape of Mahakam Pesut lips is deeper and its face is very similar to human.
Oh, is that true? Oh my god, I was really surprising to hear that. Now that is getting more interesting. How can he have face exactly like a human?
Actually, the Mahakam Pesut are two children who were raised by their own father.
Wait a minute, so the Mahakam Pesut are two children who were cast by the father? Oh my god. How could they be cursed by the father? What caused this?
Actually, right? So the two children live with their father because their mom had died. The father worked picking wood to sell and sweeping, mopping, and even cooking for his two children.
Oh my, what a shame. Their mother is no longer here. So what about their life?
Their life goes on as usual, but all the work is done by the father himself, from cooking, sweeping, mopping, washing clothes, and looking for wood to sell.
I don't know why after I listening to this story, I become sad. So did the father continue to do all the work alone?
Oh, of course not. The father finally tried of doing it alone, so the father finally decides to remarry another woman.
What? Oh, so the father decided to remarry? How will his two children react?
The child's reaction after hearing the news was of course happiness, because in the end they can feel the love of a mother.
Then after her father got married, what was Chill's daily life like?
Initially, it was everyday life. The stepmother worked to cook for her two children and her husband.
So are they the same as usual?
Of course not. At first she loved the two children, but after the father said goodbye, looking for firewood, the stepmother true nature emerged.
Huh? So nature? How does that mean?
Yes, so all this time, the stepmother has been pretending to be fine in front of the father of the two children. When the father was out looking for wood, the two children started to get angry and shouted at them. Not only that, the two children were beaten by their stepmother because they did not forget their emotion in front of the children's father.
Oh my, what a pity. So did his father know about the incident?
Unfortunately, the father did know about the bad things that happened to his two children, and in fact, the two small children were ordered by their stepmother to come look for wood. And one day, the father looked for wood to sell, and his stepmother already cooking, and the food still looked warm.
Oh my god, I feel so sorry for those two innocent little children. Until they were certain and the father didn't know about it, then how does it go?
The two children eat the food on the table because they thought that their stepmother would to cook it for them to eat. Coincidentally, the small children were eating at lunchtime and they had both just returned from looking for wood to sell, and father did know this.
Was such a small child thought to look for fireworks? Gosh, then how will the stepmother react when she finds out that the two children ate the food she cooked?
That's right, what a pity. The stepmother was surprised because the two children was eat the food she had cooked for her husband. Then the father came. The stepmother immediately ran and complained to the father of the children until the father shouted loudly at the two small children.
Gosh, I really had no idea what his stepmother did and why didn't his father find out first?
In fact, the father was initially doubtful about what his second wife said, but after seeing the two children who were full, he finally scolded her and said, "You fish child." The two children, after hearing their father's words, cried while running into the forest, and soon they on the river bank and turned into puppies.
Oh, how surprised I was when the father said that the two children was like a fish, even thought it was his own flesh and bone.
Yes, it is. Yes, is it? Yes, is it end of the Mahakam pursuit fish has a face exactly like smiling human.
It's our turns. The reason and the story behind Pesut Mahakam.
So we have told you about the Mahakam Propaz and the origins of where the Mahakam Propaz comes from. My partner will give a moral message the story we have told.
So for all your friends at home, don't imitate bad behavior or action from your stepmother. Then the story explains the role of parents is very important because they can to supervise and guide their own children.
That's all the story. That can be the but two source today. Thank you for sharing and interesting.
I'm Nur Alia.
I am Intan Awisakti.
And I am Nanda Zahra as the host. Say goodbye. Thank you for following the story. That can brought by two hosts today. See you next time, friends.